Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of our cheat engine tutorial videos. This one here, as you can probably read, says it wants us to inject code to change the instruction so it doesn't modify our health by subtracting, it actually increases our health by 2 every time. So as always, we need to find our health value first. 95, 92, this is it. You can see it change to red because the value is changed. It makes it easy when you have small number of results just to grab the one you need quickly. So 92, 92, we can, as previously, find out what writes to it, show in disassembler, and now there's two ways we can do this. This one here, you can see it subtracts. That value is our pointer to our health, and subtracts it by 1. We can do that. We can just change this to add, which is basic enough, and it will add 1 to our health every time. Change this to 2, and it will add 2 to our health every time. And that's the easiest way to do it, but that only works for instructions that take up the exact same amount of memory. So in here we have our 83AB, and then our offset 1, and that's essentially our subtract pointer, blah blah blah. What the tutorial wants us to do is hit Tool, go down to Auto Assemble, grab a code injection template. You can leave that the same if you had the right address selected in the memory viewer. And this allocates more memory to the game and allows us, and it'll place a jump where this is, and it'll actually, when this line's hit, it'll jump to this code that we're adding here, our new memory, and then when it's done it just jumps back to the next one. So what we want to do here is this here subtracts by 1. We want to add it by 2, so we go add, and copy our pointer, 'cause it's way easier than typing it. We want to add 2 to it, and we don't want it to execute the original code, so we can delete this or change this so it actually adds it by 3. We'll change it by 2, delete our original code, hit execute, and you can see it changed the jump. It now adds our value and then jumps back, and it's easy enough here. See, we now have a jump. It changed the rest of that to a no operation because we don't need the middle of an instruction still being there in case something for some reason jumps to that value, which it shouldn't, but just to be safe, changes those to no operation as well. And now if we close that, we can close this and this. If we hit me, it actually increases our health by 2 instead of decreasing it. Everything we've done so far should work in an offline game. If not, there's a little bit of extra protection which we can work out in a future video. I'll find a game that does that and we'll play around. But this is it. Now if we get hit by anything, it actually will not kill us. If we just freeze values like we did before, it can still kill us because it'll drop our health to 0, then call whatever function deals with our dead body when we die, and then Cheat Engine changes the value back up to 5,000 as our example was before. But that doesn't help us because once our health hits 0, we're dead. So this is a much better way to change it because we actually will never be registered as dying. Yeah, see you guys on the next video.